Okay, my dog, my little Yorkie puppy, he just got out of the bath, and whenever we're in the bathroom right now, whenever I open that door, he just goes crazy, running all over the house. Come on. Ready? Go. Here he goes.
There's no credit check and no bank account required. And as soon as you add money to your card, you can use it wherever Visa debit cards are accepted. Shop or pay your bills online.
He likes to go behind his couch.
1 million ATMs. Plus, you can direct deposit your pay or benefits to your Rush card. And now that it's tax time, you can direct deposit your tax refund and get it sooner.
Bank fees were killing me. But now that I have my Rush card, I am never, ever going back.
Want more? Call or go online with your computer or mobile phone and get up to
Next.
$10 with activation. That's right, up to $10. Join the Rush Card revolution.
He looks like a little bitty rat. It's so funny.
Call 1-877-275-1798 or go to rushcard.com now and use promo code DISH. Limited time offers.
Is that all you're gonna do, bro?
Rushcard.com and promo code DISH.
Welcome back to Prank, the only show on MTV that has to deal with someone's failed music career. I'm here, this is Streeter from collegehumor.com. Not failed, just getting started, okay? What do you think of this drum fill, by the way, to start this off? I'm like that, ow. And that's how the song starts. Yeah, it hurts my face a little bit. You know, these people made up their own instrument using their roommate in a rubber band. Human guitar, that's cool. Kind of. The plan is we're gonna wait outside the bathroom when Arthur takes a shower. When he steps outside, we're gonna be
Alright, this is getting kind of boring. Usually he's a lot more like wide open. Wait, maybe. Alright. Well, there's my dog. I'll upload more videos of him doing some funny stuff. Alright, peace.